Hey y'all, what's good? So today is the day my son will be going on his first cruise, but he has no idea. Got my mama here and Asim is back to sleep. It's like almost 3:30 in the morning. So we are headed to our port now, which is like 7 hours away. And I'm excited to see how this cruise go for him. And he'll be meeting his best friend there with her mom and her family. So y'all will be able to get clips of all the things. But here's to Asim first cruise and my mama first cruise too. So let's go have fun. We're going on a cruise for your birthday!
Yeah,
Surprise!
And my friend's gonna be here.
Nah, your friend's not here. It's just us.
It's just the family.
I bet there's a pool at the boat we're going on.
Disney
what?
cruise. They got the Disney.
I bet there's
Put that right there.
Swap the H and the S.
drop your phone.
It's just endless. I can sit out here all night.
Don't you dare!
You know I'll leave home without it. I can't. This is the view I woke up to. Isn't that good? Look at all that he's created.
I love your massive outfits. I love the coordination.
Long as she don't care. This lady here. Asim! Look, say hi. Look, let's say hi.
Mother.
I'm not your mom.
Submarine! And they're washing the boat.
This is our boat.
Mommy, they're washing the boat.
Yeah, they come off if it's an accident. Come take a picture. Queenie, get in water.
What?
Where the fish is?
Where?
Over that way.
Right here. They right here. See?
I'm coming.
You see the fish?
This is a minnow. I'm going. It's for me, tackle. It's for me, tackle. They're tackle.
Got it? Okay, Ma, you probably have to come close.
Heather jumped on the fish.
You're all set up.
Asim, don't get none in your hair, please. My God, this boy.
It's looking good. It's looking good. There we go. Mamma mia. Yeah. This one has almost on fire. Maybe they can get another one. Now first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna have another round. We're gonna have another round.
This is our room. Something cute and sweet. There's supposed to be 2 beds, but they put them together. And we didn't mind because it's my mama. So we didn't mind. And they had a mirror here, a balcony here. This was a couch with it pull out to a bed. And then the mirror. And then our bathroom was here. But it's time to go. Peace and love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.